In this condition, the initial separation between this block of mass 2m and the base plus man is a separation is a x, separation x है. And the according free body diagram, force applied on the 2m is a T and force applied on the man plus weight is also T. Then we can say tension is equal to m, mass of the man, as well as the mass of the weight, m plus m, and the acceleration in this direction is a a1. So it is a T equal to total mass into acceleration is a a1. Now व्हाट इज द फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम ऑफ द 2m पर जो टेंशन लग रहा है वो भी t लग रहा है और 2m पर जो लग रहा है t ट्वाइस ऑफ m इंटू a2. इसका मतलब एक्सेलरेशन इसका इस डायरेक्शन में a2 हो जाएगा. दोनों का एक्सेलरेशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ग्राउंड a1 एंड a2 है. इनको सेपरेशन जो है कवर करना है. दैट विल बी द टोटल सेपरेशन इज x. नाउ व्हाट इज द रेशियो? रेशियो मींस एक्सेलरेशन का रेशियो देखें हम. Then small m plus capital M into A1, that is equal to twice of m into A2. Therefore, the A1 by A2 is equal to twice of m by small m plus capital M. अब ये जो डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहे हैं A1 और A2 से, तो डिस्टेंस या डिस्प्लेसमेंट जो भी बोले दैट इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू टाइम सेम लगना है. देन द डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू हाफ at स्क्वायर मींस प्रोपोर्शनल टू एक्सेलरेशन. अब यहाँ क्या पूछा गया है कि डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द वेज, डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द वेज, डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द वेज मींस a1 का रेशियो क्या हो जाएगा? a1 का रेशियो इज अ ट्वाइस ऑफ m. तो ट्वाइस ऑफ m के अकॉर्डिंग यदि हम इन रेशियो के अकॉर्डिंग डिस्प्लेसमेंट निकालना है तो द रेशियो इज अ ट्वाइस ऑफ m. रेशियो अपॉन सम ऑफ रेशियो इज अ कैपिटल M plus 2m plus m. It is 3m. And what is the separation? Separation is x. Therefore, the displacement by the ways at end man is a twice of small m plus 3m into x. I think correct option is the second one. This situation, two small spares of the mass m connected by the string of the length is a 12, whatever the length of the string, that doesn't matter. But the main thing is the force is applied at the string. What is the maximum value of the f? That is the main thing. Maximum value of the f which the spare do not lose the contact. Means the weight of the each spare is a mg and the component of this tension in this direction, that is a t sine theta. When the t sine theta is equal to mg, then it lose the contact. The maximum situation means the t maximum equal to t sine theta equal to the weight. When the t maximum sine theta equal to mg, that means the just lose the contact of the spare. It means the maximum tension is how much? Maximum tension of the string is equal to mg by sine theta. And what is the FBD of this thing? When this is a t, and that is a theta, and that also theta. It means the f is equal to the upper force in this maximum tension. F is equal to twice of t. What is the component of the downward direction? That is a t sine theta, because the F is equal to 2t sine theta. Then the maximum force which is permissible, F maximum equal to twice of t sine theta. And we know the t maximum is a mg by sine theta. Then we can say it is a force maximum which is applied on the string is equal to F maximum equal to twice of mg, twice of the weight. So it is a first case. We can say the answer is a twice of mg. So first option is correct. In the second situation, what is the given that the force is applied on the string, therefore the tension in the string is equal to T. That is a T. And we want to find the acceleration of the waves का free body diagram बनाऊं मैं. Then waves का free body diagram के according that F equal to T, because the force applied on the string is equal to the tension. But this force along the horizontal direction is a F equal to T, and F cos phi is this component in the horizontal direction. And on this pulley, this is a tension in the string is a F, and F equal to T. That means the force in this direction is F. So according free body diagram of the waves having mass is a capital M. This force in this direction means left direction is F, and in the right direction is F cos phi. So what is the net force on the waves? Net force on the waves is F minus F cos phi. And the acceleration of the waves is a net force upon the mass of the waves. Mass of the waves is a capital M. So it is F minus F cos phi upon capital M. So acceleration of the waves equal to F common ले लें, it is a 1 minus cos phi upon capital M. That is according free body diagram. The force on this string is F and force equal to T, but the net force along the horizontal direction is F, and this is F. So F is greater than F cos phi. So the acceleration of the base in the left hand side. So correct option is a second one. Condition, the weight of the block is mg and the tension in the strings are T1 and T2. And what is the what is the value of the theta with the horizontal? So the tension in the string will be minimum. That is the situation. Tension को minimum करना है. It means मैं horizontal के according इसको देखूं तो it is a T2 cos theta, and that is equal to T1 cos 60. That is first equation. And in the vertical direction में दोनों के component लेता हूँ मैं. So it is a T2 sin theta is equal to T2 sin theta and plus T1 sin 60 equal to the weight. हमें यहाँ पर मिनिमम टेंशन कौन सा निकालना था? केवल हैव मिनिमम टेंशन मीन्स हमें T2 का मिनिमम वैल्यू निकालना है. तो वी पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ द T1 को एलिमिनेट करूँ मैं, तो T1 इक्वल टू दैट इज T2 sin theta and plus T1 sin 60 is a root 3 by 2, and sin 60 is a root 3 by 2, and that is equal to the weight. And what is the value of the T1? T1 equal to 2 T2 cos theta. T1 का वैल्यू सेकेंड इक्वेशन में हमने पुट कर दिया. T2 का वैल्यू, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ द T2? T2 कॉमन ले लेते हैं, तो T2 इज अ sin theta plus root 3 cos theta is equal to weight. यदि T2 का वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना तो इट इज ए वेट अपॉन sin theta प्लस रूट 3 cos theta. इसका मतलब T2 का वैल्यू मिनिमम हो, T2 का वैल्यू मिनिमम, तो दिस टर्म विल बी मैक्सिमम. यानी किसी वैल्यू थीटा की वैल्यू के लिए ये मैक्सिमम हो. और यदि इसको मैक्सिमाइज करता हूँ मैं तो इट इज डिपेंड्स ऑन द थीटा. सो डी बाई डी थीटा इज अ साइन dy dθ of the sin theta plus root 3 cos theta, that should be 0. Therefore the minus cos theta, and this is sin theta, minus cos theta plus root 3 sin theta, then it is tan theta equal to tan theta equal to 1/√3. इसका तो थीटा का वैल्यू थीटा इक्वल टू हाउ मच इट इज 30. इसका तो थीटा 30 होगा तो दिस टर्म मैक्सिमम होगा और दिस टर्म मिनिमम होगा, और यहाँ पूछा टेंशन मिनिमम के लिए थीटा का वैल्यू, देन थीटा इक्वल टू 30. सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. This arrangement, two blocks of same mass m, one is on the this small m and second is this one, and the whole system is moving in the downward direction. Suppose the acceleration of each block with respect to this system means with respect to the lift. Suppose a relative is the downward and a relative is the left to right. Then what is the absolute acceleration of this block in the downward direction? That is a plus ar with respect to ground. And the absolute acceleration of this upper block is a ar in the right hand side and a is in the downward side with respect to ground. If we plot the FBD, that is a T and that is a mg with respect to ground, and that is a T, then we can say T equal to m. What is the absolute acceleration with respect to ground is the upper block, it is a m ar, and this acceleration of the mg minus T, absolute acceleration with respect to ground is a m ar plus a or a plus ar. If we adding both the equation, दोनों को add करें, then it is a mg equal to m, add करने पर twice of ar plus a. So what is unknown? A is a given, unknown is a g minus a is equal to twice of ar. Twice of ar means g minus a by 2, that is a ar. Ar is the relative acceleration of the small m in the downward direction with respect to the system. Then what is the net acceleration of, find the acceleration of block A with respect to ground. Ground के respect में निकालना है. Then what is the acceleration of this? It is at the 90 degree. Absolute acceleration with respect to ground is equal to under root of a square plus ar square. Then a is unknown, ar is a g minus a by 2. Then it is a under root of, therefore LCM लेते हैं, 4a square plus the whole square is a g square plus a square minus 2ga, and the LCM is a 4. 4 को बाहर निकालना, it is 1 by 2. It is 1 by 2 in the bracket, in the square root, in the under root. 4 plus 1, it is a 5a square plus g square and the minus twice of ga. That is the net acceleration of the upper block with respect to ground. According option, 5a square plus g square minus 2ga, and second option is correct. कंडीशन में देखें कि 100 न्यूटन फोर्स अप्लाई किया है और 30 और 10 इसी में सस्पेंडेड है, इट मींस 30 प्लस 10, नेट नॉर्मल रिएक्शन जो आएगा दैट विल बी द 30 प्लस 10 मींस 40 इंटू जी आएगा, और इसके अकॉर्डिंग फ्रिक्शन इज इक्वल टू म्यू इंटू एन, और फ्रिक्शन की वैल्यू म्यू का वैल्यू 0.1 है, सो फ्रिक्शन का वैल्यू 40 जी इंटू 0.1, दैट विल बी द 40 न्यूटन. अब जस्ट इस फोर्स को अप्लाई करते टाइम दैट एक्सीलरेशन ऑफ दिस ब्लॉक मीन्स 10 kg का क्या होगा, 0 होगा, और एक्सीलरेशन यदि इसका 0 होगा इट मीन्स एक्सीलरेशन ओनली 30 kg को मिलेगा. ये कब मिलेगा? जब शुरू में जब जस्ट मोशन स्टार्ट हुआ है, उसके बाद हो सकता है ये स्विंग करे, और स्विंग करने के बाद दोनों का रिलेटिव मोशन, रिलेटिव एक्सीलरेशन 0 हो जाए, उसके बाद दोनों साथ मूव करेंगे. बट यहाँ ऐसा बोला है कि जस्ट अप्लाई करने पर, और जस्ट अप्लाई करने पर व्हाट इज द नेट फोर्स? नेट फोर्स इज 100 न्यूटन and 40 newton, that is 60 newton, but the acceleration only and only 30 kilogram लेगा. That's why इसका एक्सेलरेशन 2 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर होगा कब, जब जस्ट अप्लाई किया। उसके बाद हो सकता है कि 10 स्विंग करे, 10 का एक्सेलरेशन इंक्रीज होते होते 30 के इक्वल हो जाए और उसके बाद दोनों कॉमन एक्सेलरेशन से मूव करे, बट ये जस्ट उसी इंस्टेंट पर पूछ रहा है। सो इट इज अ 2 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर। और अगले प्रॉब्लम में ऐसा पूछा है कि चैन में 1 2 3 4 5 लिंक हैं और इनके मासेस जो है डिक्रीज हो रहा है और फोर्स एफ अप्लाई हो रहा है। तो ये तो कंफर्म है कि इट बिकम्स ए ज्योमेट्रिकल प्रोग्रेशन, जीपी बन रहा है। इसका फर्स्ट टर्म एम है एंड द रेशियो 1/2 है। इट मीन्स 1 - 1/2 इज द टोटल मास। जीपी का सम कर दिया अप टू इनफाइनाइट, then the total mass of the system is equal to twice of m. Then what is the acceleration of the system? Acceleration of the system is a net force upon total mass. Second thing ये पूछा है कि इस पर नेट फोर्स ऑन द थर्ड लिंक का मीनिंग दिस, तीसरे लिंक पर नेट फोर्स जो होता है, नेट फोर्स ऑलवेज, बहुत सारे फोर्स लग रहे हैं बट नेट फोर्स इज इक्वल टू नेट मास इनटू एक्सीलरेशन, एंड वी नो द मास ऑफ द थर्ड लिंक इज not m/2, this is a m/4. m/4 is a mass of the third link. कौन से लिंक की बात कर रहे हैं हम? थर्ड लिंक की। उसी पे नेट फोर्स पूछा गया है एंड द एक्सेलरेशन इज a f by twice of m. So the net force on the third link is a f by 8. That's why correct option is the fourth one. In this condition, the helicopter of mass m, helicopter having mass m, mass is a capital M, and lowering a truck of mass small m, in the first case the helicopter and the truck moving together, the length of the cable remains constant, tension in the cable is T1. It means it is a velocity is in the downward direction and the speed is decreasing means that is the acceleration in the upward direction, and the acceleration is given, that is g by 10. Therefore the tension in the cable is a T and the weight of the truck is mg. Then it means the T is a greater than mg, T minus mg equal to m into g by 10, and that tension is a given T1. Therefore T1 is equal to mg plus mg by 10, it is 11 mg by 10. In the second situation when truck gets close to the deck and the helicopter stops, whatever stops moving but moving downward, while it hovers stationary, it lets out of the cable so that the truck is still moving down, but main thing is the truck is moving downward. Main thing is a truck, because we want to find the tension in the cable, and tension in the cable is connected with the truck, and truck is a moving, again it is downward, means its velocity is a downward, and the speed again decreasing, means velocity is downward but speed decreasing means acceleration again in the upward direction, and that acceleration भी सेम है, एक्सीलरेशन भी उतना ही है g/10. तो हमें सिर्फ ट्रक का एफबीडी देखे हम, तो ट्रक का एफबीडी के अकॉर्डिंग अभी भी टेंशन जो है, टेंशन इज इट इज गिवन दैट इज T2. मीन्स फर्स्ट केस में हेलीकॉप्टर कहीं भी मूव करे, हमें एफबीडी ट्रक की देखनी है, टेंशन केबल का देखना है, तो ये अगेन इट इज एक्सीलरेशन इज g/10 in a upward direction. So it is a T2 minus mg is equal to m into g/10, and the T2 equal to again 11 mg by 10. In the both cases tension is the same, और tension same है then the ratio is a 1. Means acceleration जो है, that is a, in the both cases the acceleration is a upward direction. That's why we can say the tension in the both situation is a same. हेलीकॉप्टर कहीं भी मूव करे, ट्रक का एक्सीलरेशन की बात कर रहे हैं हम, ट्रक के एक्सीलरेशन के अकॉर्डिंग इन दोनों केसेस में टेंशन सेम रहेगा. That is the main point. In this situation, block is kept on the fixed smooth ways whose vertical section का जो भी दे रखा है उसके अकॉर्डिंग वर्टिकल सेक्शन y equal to x square by root 3 है. Then horizontal direction y represent the vertical when released from the point A. What will be the acceleration? Y का वैल्यू दे रखा है, acceleration पूछा है. And then we know the acceleration on the inclined plane is equal to, what is the acceleration along the inclined plane? This angle is theta. Then acceleration equal to g sin theta. If this is our vertical section and it is curved. It means theta is not constant, but we know it is a slope of this tangent and x-axis. The slope is a theta, and we know tan theta slope is equal to dy by dx. And the equation is given. So what is the value of the dy by dx means what is the slope of this curve? So dy by dx equal to twice of x by root 3, and that is equal to tan theta. Then the value of the x is not given, value of the y is given. Y का value 1 by 4 root 3 है. So y यदि 1 by 4 root 3 है, then what is the value of the x? X equal to y का value यदि मैंने 1 by 4 root 3 put किया है, then what is the value of the x? X equal to 1 by 2. The x का value 1 by 2 रखता हूँ तो tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. That means theta equal to how much? 30 degree. Then acceleration of this block is a g sin theta, and the acceleration of this block is a g sin 30. Sin 30 means it is a how much? It is a root. Sin 30 means it is a sin 30 means it is equal to the g, and that is multiplied by sin 30 means 1 by 2. Then we can say it is a 5 meter per second square. So correct option is a third one.